Welcome back. This is Nasim. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics begin checkout event for e-commerce, and I will use Google Tag Manager for sending this event. So no more talks, let's get started. First of all, what is begin checkout event? Begin checkout event actually will fire when someone visit your checkout page and start filling that form. This particular event will be useful when someone start the filling that form but somehow they didn't complete purchase on that time, and you can run the remarketing campaign on them. That visitor actually the more potential visitor than the page view event. So that's why you need to set up the perfect conversion tracking for the begin checkout event. Let's go to screen and see how you can set up the tracking. This is my demo website, and the checkout event actually when someone visit the checkout page, for example like this is my checkout page and this is the Shopify web store. Okay, so I just want to track when someone visit this page and try to filling this form. It's called the begin checkout event. Go to Google Tag Manager container and hit new, select tag configuration and select Google Analytics. Then Google add Analytics GA4 event and input your measurement ID. So this is my measurement ID and choose the event name called begin checkout. So for your help, I have made a complete guide with the all event and required variables like this, and the event parameter you can send, and these are the event variables you can send all with this event. Okay, so for example currency, select currency and select the currency variables, and another one item name like this. You can see this is the green, the white check mark is showing, that means the name is accurate, and make the data layer variable with all like same. Input the variable, just copy and paste from that document. Okay, save it and give a name like this, item name. Okay, so this is the same procedure, you can make all of them, but I just don't want to do that. And make the trigger, go to plus and make new trigger, custom event, and exact same name that you need to input called begin checkout, and send there. Save. Okay, so now we have successfully make our begin checkout event. If you want to set up your conversion tracking for your new Shopify store and you just want to save your time, you don't want to do it manually, then I recommend you to pick this one. This all I have made already for you. For example, all the GA4 Facebook pixels, Snapchat pixel, TikTok, whatever you want, I have made all of this. Where you will get, just visit Nasim official store, and I have give a name called Trackies. With this product you will get all the tracking setup including my 90 days free support with that. So that means if you face any issue with your tracking system for your Shopify store, you can contact with me via WhatsApp or whatever you want. So I will instantly help you, and this is very awesome feature. You can trust it because of my experience. I have more than 6 years of experience, and here you can see in Upwork I am a top rated freelancer and I have completed more than 294 plus job especially on tracking. So you can see all of the tracking I have got, and with the consultancy I'm getting the 5-star rating with that. So you can feel free, just try to purchase it and contact with me if you need any help, and you can subscribe to my channel for next one.